Where is the hottest place in the world? Not the Sahara, not Azazia, Libya. It's Death Valley, located in California. The highest temperature recorded here is 56.7 degrees Celsius, is not only the hottest place on Earth, but also one of the driest and lowest points in North America. This unique location, known for its extreme weather and harsh living conditions, offers visitors a glimpse into the beauty of nature's rawness. The valley is an otherworldly landscape of rolling sand dunes, towering peaks, and colorful canyons. The national park is home to unique wildlife such as coyotes, bighorn sheep, and even rare species of pupfish. Visitors can explore the diverse terrain of Death Valley through hiking trails, scenic drives, and overnight camping. The unpolluted, clear night sky provides the perfect setting for stargazing and observing celestial objects. The fascinating geological formations in the valley's history are also worth exploring, such as the ghost towns, mining ruins, and Joshua Tree forests. Despite its name, Death Valley is teeming with life and is an amazing destination for hikers, campers, and nature enthusiasts alike.